Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the laptop. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove any external drives and the battery if possible so the machine is stable. You should strap to ground or touch metal to discharge static because SSDs are sensitive. Next, flip the laptop and unscrew the access panel screws in sequence. Keep them organized in a tray. Make sure to note which screws are longer versus shorter. That will matter when reassembling. With the panel off, you'll see either an M, 2-stick or a 2.5-inch drive. Identify which you have so you use the right technique. For M2, gently unscrew the single standoff screw and lift the module at a slight angle. For 2.5-inch, unplug the SATA connector and remove mounting brackets if present. You should hold the SSD by its edges to avoid contacting the connectors. Once loosened, slide the module out along the slot. Don't force anything. Resist when you meet friction. After the SSD is freed, remove the mounting screw completely and set it aside with its matching standoff so you don't mix parts. You should inspect the connector and bay for dust or bent pins. Cleaning with compressed air is fine because it prevents poor connections later. If the screw is stubborn, switch to a matching driver or apply a bit more steady torque. Avoid stripping the head. Finally, when replacing or upgrading, reverse steps carefully and test power on to confirm detection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.